This is the awareness of plants, the applications of plants, how we can use a plant in place of tablets. I work with Herbal natural therapies. I want to teach you how to make use of all these plants, the common plants we lay our hand upon within our environment. I'll start with introduction. When I finish the introduction, then I'll teach everything. That time, if your simple time permits you, learn is free. Carry your pen, write them down. It will help you. Sickness will not write letter to any family. Sickness can come at any time. As you learn all these plants, you keep them. As sickness come, you don't need to visit any babalawo. Naturally, they work on their own. I'll start with the introduction. The presentation, the title of this program, we call it Healing Power of Plants. Healing Power of Plants. I present to you healing powers of plants. I'll start with introduction here. There is a plant here. This plant is common. It's everywhere. This plant for waist pain, rheumatism, and arthritis of any ages. This plant in my hand, take care of it. Hausa people call it Jari Injaka. Drag me, I drag you. Uproot these plants, plenty. For rheumatism and arthritis of any ages. As some people, they cannot squat, they cannot bend down like this. When they drop something down, they cannot pick it because of waist pain, especially aging mother and aging fathers. How to use these plants to treat a waist pain and rheumatism? Uproot it plenty. Don't use a kitchen knife to cut it. Uproot it. After uprooting, send everything inside. Cook inside the washing basin. Add salt and water. Wash it with salt and water. After washing, then carry your kitchen knife, cut it, leave the stem and the what and the roots. After that, send everything inside cooking pot. Add 4 liters of water. Leave it for some minutes. Take it morning, evening. A cup in the morning, a cup in the evening for 2 weeks to 3 weeks. It's an introduction. I'll start teaching all over. What will be the name of this plant? This same plant, Cedar acuta, botanically. Common name, we call it broomweed. Some people harvest this plant to what? To sweep their environment. It's an introduction. I'll start teaching everything all over again. It's an introduction. There is another plant again, right here in my hand. This is a plant for measles of any ages in children. Look at it. What will be the name of this plant? We call it pigeon peas, fresh leaf. Look at it here. Some people, it's just like beans. Botanically, we call it Kajanu. That is the botanical name of this plant. It's an introduction. I want you to identify one that concerns